We are going for a company dinner.
Hello guys, we made it this week with the vlog. What have I been up to? That's a very good question. If I was to respond to that, I would start by saying looking for perfection will get you stuck on one spot, because tell me why. I wanted our vlogs to feel a certain way and meet a specific standard. My procrastination has been on steroids, because why has hours turned into days, days into weeks, into a whole month, and no production has been made or completed? Please ignore my facial expression. This drink is not as bad as it looks. But thankfully the creators block is over. We're back and we're starting off this video with my spa appointment. I will see you guys at the end of the video. Welcome back to the vlog.
Disco ball in the living room, baby, watch me hit my move. DoorDash make the doorbell ring, cause they dropping off my food. Baby, I'm in love, what it look like, what we finna get into?
Hi guys, welcome back. We are going for a company dinner party.